From the early days of the typewriter in the 1870s, keyboards have come a long way. Imagine the clack of those metal keys as they struck the ribbon, creating letters on paper. Fast forward to the 1960s when the first computer keyboards emerged, resembling typewriters but with a twist, function keys and a new language of commands. By the 1980s, the iconic QWERTY layout became standard, but innovation didn't stop there. Mechanical keyboards gained popularity for their tactile feedback, perfect for gamers and typists alike. Then came the rise of membrane keyboards, sleek and silent, making them a staple in offices everywhere. Today, we see a blend of technology and design with customizable RGB lighting and ergonomic shapes. Keyboards have evolved from simple tools to essential devices, shaping how we interact with technology. Each click and tap tells a story of innovation, making our digital lives smoother and more engaging.